Hey, how's everybody doing? Spike the Frugal Fixer here. And well, I've been in the shop working a lot on the computer and stuff while I was getting over my health issues. And well, now I'm start sharing things with you. So this is the new ball dispenser. Now, I did not design this. I bought this design from a guy that made it, Christopher, and it is beautiful. And I could not do a better job, so I just bought the design so I could share it with you and add it to my website. So you just tap the little button, and it drops you a ball. And when you get done, you're gonna fill it up. You put in the top, you hold 2 dozen balls up to the top right here. So yeah, it's pretty handy, and I'm enjoying mine. So I've got mine set up on the floor right here, but it's got 4 little leveling feet on it. You put your golf ball in here for a weight to make this thing work. And other than that, you got a few little pieces to put together. And well, this video right here is going to show you exactly how to do that. When you get it, you got to stick the feet on it and put a little lever inside and put a little pin in it. And other than that, you got it ready to go. So watch the instructions. If you want one, frugalfixerspike.com. How's everybody doing? Spike Frugal Fixer here, and well, today's an instructional video. Now, if you order one of these ball dispensers, this is the way I'm selling them right now, black and green with gray hardware parts. And so if you get one of these, it's going to come like this, all put together. But you got to do a couple things to finish putting it together. Because I'm scared the little lever and stuff will get broken shipping, so we don't put all that in. Watch. Y'all see right here? That joint right there? Grab this and this, give it a little wiggle, and pull it apart. See that little slot right here? Slot right there. So when you get ready to put it back, you'll just line it up and shove it in. We don't even put any screws in them, guys, because I hadn't had one move. So if you want to put screws in it, you can. But anyway, I'll take this off, set it out of the way. Now this top piece pops on, and you just got to open it here, matches up with there. So you line it up, goes on solid, and set that over out of the way. Now, this is the base. We got to do some things to get it ready. First thing we got to have is we got to have the little lever that drops down in here, and that picks the balls up. Okay, got that? See it right there. That drops into that. See this little clip? It's got a little end. It's kind of curved on the end. It's got a flat tab. Flat tab goes down. And this is where it goes. Now I barely can reach this with my little fingers. But if y'all will look right in here, you see this right here where my finger is? There's a slot right there that's going to be going in, okay? I'm going to try to reach in there with my finger now and see if I can get to it and get it in. Okay, you line it up straight into that push and push it back. It's got a little hole you could put a screw in too, but I've never seen a need. They just stay. Okay, so that's got those 2 parts in. Now, we have our foot lever that we got to put in. We got the pivot axle for that foot lever. Now, you see this? Watch. Where you line it up, and when you get it lined up, it will drop right into that groove. You see that? See that went in that little groove? So, we're going to put this thing in the little lever up on top, and we're going to put this in the hole. So watch. Go in this way, this hole. We're going to fish and try to catch. So you get it in. You get it all the way in and hold it up. You see? See, come up, take your hand, put it in here, put it in the hole. See where it's at? And you're going to pull this down till it sits on top of it, and you rotate that till it locks. And those lock us set together. See? Now, when you put a ball on top of there, that works. Now, got that part done. Let's go to next part. There's 2 parts like this. Put the golf ball in the middle. Put this side on here. Lay it on the table. Use the table to hold it square because it's got a flat bottom. and screw the little nut on and make sure it's going on good. Okay, see, that goes in fine. Now, I want you to take this nut. This is the arm. The arm has got a notch. You see the notch? This has got a notch the same way here. Laying right over there. So once you put your golf ball in, you slide that over. Then you take a little nut. And if you leave it out just a little bit here, give yourself a little room, you got more room to get the nut. Because if you jam it all the way back, it's hard to put the nut on because of that brace. You can try to leave it about like that, just that little bit. And then you can reach in here with your finger and start this little nut on here. Now, once you get it started, you can start running it down with your finger. And then you can pull the thing on down tight and pull it on down, see? Now, once you get it down, snugged up, take this little wrench that comes with it and take it right here, put it over this nut, and pull it. Just tighten it up. Now, the ball's still going to be movable in there. That's fine. We have to wait. Now, this thing goes in your machine. You see the part with the tab? That's up. Reach through here and put these two little rods right there. When you do, it falls back. Okay? Now, if we put a ball there, there it goes. We're going to turn it around where the slot's right here. Going to get the green piece, hold it with the slot here. Line them up here, there, snap together. Now, it is ready to go. All it needs is some golf balls. So watch. Well, it's not completely ready. Got one more thing. But 4 little leveling feet to get it just level where you want it on your mat or wherever you're going to use it. And you can set it up to where if your square guy's sitting right here and you hit it at the ball, when it drops the ball, it'll be right on your spot. It's a good way to work that too. I'm set up, ready to play. And I got the machine set up and I got it adjusted out to where when I do that, it does that. It's ready to go. Okay, guys. That's the way the thing goes together and it works pretty sweet. FrugalFixerSpike.com. It's at the top of the list up there in the ball dispenser. And this is Deluxe more than others. Most of them don't have this top on them and they don't have this leveling feet. Again, I decided if I was going to make it, I want to make it as everything. Whereas the first, top of the line. So everybody be happy with their. Y'all take care. Y'all be good. And when you get one, you want to put it together. There's the little tips on how to do it. So, you'll know.